LibreELEC versus OSMC. Which one should you use? Choosing the right media center can completely change how you enjoy your entertainment without the hassle of complicated setups. Let's briefly explore both options. LibreELEC and OSMC are two popular media center operating systems, each catering to different user needs. LibreELEC focuses on being lightweight and fast, while OSMC offers a more user-friendly interface with additional features. LibreELEC is a minimalistic operating system designed specifically for running Kodi, a powerful media player. It is built to be lightweight, ensuring quick boot times and efficient performance on low-spec hardware. The system works by providing a streamlined environment that allows users to enjoy their media without unnecessary overhead. One of its major strengths is its simplicity and speed, making it ideal for users who want a straightforward media center experience. However, its minimalistic approach means that some advanced features available in other systems may be lacking. LibreELEC is perfect for tech-savvy users or those with older devices who prioritize performance and efficiency over extensive customization options. OSMC, or Open Source Media Center, is based on the Debian Linux distribution and is designed to provide a more complete media center experience. It features a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of media formats, making it accessible for all users. OSMC allows for extensive customization, enabling users to install additional software and add-ons easily. Its strengths lie in its rich feature set and community support, offering a more versatile platform for those who want to tailor their media experience. However, its broader functionality can lead to slower performance on lower-end hardware compared to LibreELEC. Option C is ideal for users who desire a comprehensive media center with flexibility and a more polished user interface. When comparing LibreELEC and OSMC, consider your specific needs. For users with older hardware or those who prefer a no-frills experience, LibreELEC is an excellent choice due to its lightweight nature. It excels in speed and efficiency, making it perfect for straightforward media playback. On the other hand, OSMC shines with its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options, appealing to users who want a more feature-rich experience. However, this added functionality may come at the cost of performance on lower-end devices. If you prioritize speed and simplicity, LibreELEC is the way to go. If you seek versatility and enhanced features, OSMC could be the better option. For users seeking a fast and efficient media center, LibreELEC is highly recommended. For those who want a more feature-rich and customizable experience, OSMC is the ideal choice. Both options cater to different needs, ensuring you can find the perfect media center for your entertainment setup.